She's looking pretty dapper. Izzy. Oh, now she's getting so... What's wrong, Isolina? Izzy. She's a ham. You're a ham, Izzy. She knows it. There's a baby bird in the tree, and it's been hatched. I'm not sure how long ago it hatched. But the mom, where did she go? There she is. I think she's trying to teach it to... Oh, she's feeding the bird, baby bird. And my husband went outside earlier, and he said that one already fell to the ground behind this orange fence on the other side, back there. I don't know where it went. I don't know if it flew away, if it walked underneath the brush and it's hiding, or hopefully another bird didn't, or another predator didn't snatch it up. But I've been here watching, seeing when this little guy is going to take its first little leap. It's trying to get some courage, I think. Earlier, Izzy was getting her little bloomers in a bunch because of the little birds were flopping around outside. Where is he? I think he took the plunge if it's the same bird. Where'd he go? Oh, he's all the way out there. Where'd he go? Oh, he's way out there. I think he jumped. I don't know if it's the first bird. Oh, the mother bird's here. Where is she? Okay, there she is. Boy, he jumped. There he goes. He's hobbling away. They're fast. Well, I hope those two little birds, they make it to adulthood. Now, the nest, I believe, is officially empty. They flew the nest.